Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the HP Pavilion All-in-One 2020-22-inch FHD computer. Now, right off the bat, let's talk about what this machine brings to the table. Under the hood, it's powered by an AMD Athlon Gold 3150U processor clocked at 2.4 GHz, with a boost up to 3.3 GHz. Pair that with AMD Radeon graphics, and you've got a setup that can handle a variety of tasks, from productivity to light gaming. One of the standout features here is the upgrade to 16 GB of RAM. That means smoother multitasking, whether you're editing documents, browsing the web, or streaming content. And let's not forget about the storage. With a 256 GB SSD, you're getting faster data access speeds and better overall performance. Now, let's talk about the display. This all-in-one comes with a 22-inch, Full HD diagonal widescreen micro-edge display, boasting a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The IPS technology ensures wide viewing angles, while the energy-efficient WLED backlight helps save power. Connectivity-wise, you've got a good array of options here. From superspeed USB Type-A to HDMI, there's plenty of ports to connect your peripherals and external devices. Plus, with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, staying connected is a breeze. I also appreciate the inclusion of the HP privacy camera. It's a nice touch for those concerned about privacy while using the webcam. And of course, having a DVD drive is a convenience that's becoming rarer these days. To top it off, you get the TMLTT kit included, which adds even more value to the package. Overall, the HP Pavilion All-in-One 2020-22-inch FHD computer offers a solid combination of performance, connectivity, and convenience, making it a worthy contender in the all-in-one market. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.